What's up, everybody? Welcome to this new series. I hope you guys are excited because I am very excited. We're going to be doing some cooking for you today with these ingredients here.
Let me just stop you right there, Buckaroony. Right now, you're probably watching this video and going, wow, right now it's kind of freaking boring. But let me just tell you, keep watching it, and while you're watching it, why don't you just subscribe? Why don't you like? Why don't you just comment a bit? Tell us your feedback. What should he do next? Should he fix some things? And you know what? All I'm gonna say is enjoy the video, lads. Back to you, Black Smoke and Niece.
What are these ingredients? Peanut oil, water, fine sea salt, vinegar. That's vinegar too, right?
Yeah, that's the same thing.
And potatoes. Golden potatoes. And you need the bowl to mix them all up.
No.
No, don't do that. I lied. See.
Okay, so combine water.
Oh.
There's stuff in it.
Oh, we need new water. Make sure it's fresh water with no dust or anything in it. Because bad water is bad water. Now what do?
Well, I already said to add the water.
You add water, vinegar. Don't spill it. That's a no-no. Oh, it's making weird colors.
Oh, I touched it.
Ah!
Now, cut peeled potatoes in half. Well, I guess we should peel these first.
Cut and peel potatoes in half.
Okay.
Do you have a knife? Yes. She has a knife. We're just going to do them for 24 hours straight. Which one do I get? This one?
Yes. We have to wash the
We have to wash them first. Okay, so if you don't have a mandolin, you can use a cheese grater that has the cheese thing on it, you know, to make nicely thin potato chip wedges, whatever you want to call them. Or you can try to do this thing, which probably take twice as long and not turn out to get some weird funky chips that are weird and long and weirdness. But yeah, so we're gonna do this now for about, I don't know, 30 minutes, and we'll be back. And now we put the pieces that we cut into vinegar and then let it sit for a long time. How long?
30 minutes.
30 minutes in the refrigerator. That is what you want to do after you're done cutting your potatoes, but we're not done cutting them quite yet.
This is really gross.
Almost. It's okay if they're thicker, smaller, whatever you got. You can still make potato chips out of potatoes.
You can still make potatoes out of potatoes.
Pouring peanut
Look at
oil.
that.
Oil of the peanut.
Yum. Alright, and now we wait for it to heat up.
Alright, we're taking a different approach to this. We are now frying the potatoes that have been soaking for at least, what, 30 minutes? About 30 minutes in the refrigerator. We're now frying them. And then you can see all of our janky potato chips that we cut. It's still gonna turn into potato chips. Fingers crossed. Right? Mm-hmm. Right.
Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh.
Oh no, look at that action. Very hot. So we leave them in here for about how long?
Until they're like golden brown.
Until they are golden brown. You leave them in there until they are golden brown. Unless you want burnt ones, then you leave them in there until they're black. They're like charcoal. Yes. Then when they are done and golden brown, you sprinkle them with salt. With the sea salt from the sea. The bottoms of the sea. Because it's sea and it's salt.
Ocean Vinegar, safety boy, my sister, fish, come on,
And there you be, a tray full of chips to do whatever you will to do. They are very salty, or like salty chips with a hint of vinegar. But yeah, these are chips. They're very good. Give them a try. Recipe will be down in the description below. And stay tuned for next week. We're going to be making possibly egg noodle, egg soup. What is it? Egg something. Some kind of soup. Soup of the egg noodle. Yes. Anyway guys, that's gonna be it for this episode. If you guys did enjoy, hit that like button down below. And come out with some ideas for what we could do next, possibly. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out guys, bye bye. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, sharing is caring. Bye.